Hey guys, welcome. Good morning from Swaggy and Mila. Yeah, so today I woke up in the morning and look at what I found in my good yard. The half of the tree, not gonna lie, I don't remember the name of the tree, but some Asian exotic tree fruit, lychee, most lychee and a lychee. Hey, I think a lychee tree now. Well, tell me in the comment section, please remind me what kind of tree is that if you are familiar with it. So I found half of the tree on the ground, just laying so. See, broken. The wind broke my tree. See it there? And also the wind kinda did ugly the avocado tree, aka pear tree. So so guys, I can feel the Christmas in the air, even though it's the end of September right now. Yeah, we are in the year that's up. Oh, Mila, you look a bit dirty. Excuse me, mommy didn't wash you. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna first thing first. I'm gonna go into the house and wash you. Yeah. Excuse Mila, cookie face. Yeah. So what me did I tell you guys here? I say we are in the end of September and the weather is changing right now in Jamaica. The weather is changing and I feel the cool breeze entering the island. And yesterday the breeze was so cool, so you guys see my tree on the ground here. That's how it was breezing. Yes, the breeze was breezing. Yeah, so that's the current situation, guys. We're in September, but I feel summer is going away slowly but surely. Summer is giving autumn its turn, and this is our grape, guys. Earl named almost all of the red grapes because only red colored grapes they taste good. Green already. The red ones taste so good. Yeah, and it as well, the bush itself gives little privacy to the yard because it grows upon the fence, and the fence separates we from our neighbors. Yeah, it's like a little decoration element, and here we still have this mesh. Give the shade here because we don't have a lot of trees. We don't really have much shade. Yeah, see you there, guys. We are doing alright here with Mila in our yard. Yeah, and right now I can't even wear my pajama pants outside. See, for summer I couldn't do that, but right now it's a good look. And Mila too, in your pajama. Yeah, I don't lie, sometimes you need not lie, sometimes you just miss this type of weather because the summer normally very hot. It kind of drains your energy, so you want a change, you know. So here comes September, October, November, and yeah, it continues. But I really like the weather. The weather is very good right now, comfortable. I could say like a Russian summer weather right now. Summer not gone still, but it's different type of summer in Jamaica. I'm glad we have a water heater. So most of the times, even though we have solar and we roof that makes our shower warm, hot sometimes. Most of the times when it's a hot summer day, because it works with the sunlight. But when we talk about autumn, season, Christmas season. The heater, I don't know how people do without heater during that season, because the water does not really get warm, and it's cool outside, very cool, very chilly. So you want to bathe in a hot water, not a hot shower, nice warm shower at least. See, never lie, telling you guys that Earl Stevens and all are the grapes them. I'm always a try to say I'm me. And I'm me. See me catch them on tape and I'm me. By the time me ready, not ready on the tree. Yeah. So it's just how it is. Little update, life update. Life is going, you know. Life are going same way. Mila is growing, life is going. Mila started walk. It's very sad that Granny, her Russian Granny, couldn't see her walking, taking first steps. Yeah, but now she can walk, pretty confident. She just started walking. Yeah, but she improves fast, and she improves, you know. She is tomorrow 1 year and 1 month. She's a walking baby right now. Yeah, surrounded by the nature in the countryside of St. Anne's Bay. Show the world your grapes that you are planning to eat without. Why them look so?
I wash them off. I know the white company. I wash them off, man.
Yeah?
What's that? That's it.
Just remember me, eh? Yeah? Remember me when you eat them. Oh yeah, you change the subject fast. I say, remember me when you yam your grapes them. You see her walking. Like first time I see she walk. She walks. That's what she does. Pretty regular. A stick. And right now she tries to repeat the words after me. Say mama. Mila, mama. Mama. You can't give a grape. Say mama. It's drizzling. Rain. She's not used to the grass, walking on the grass, so it's new for her. Mostly walks in the living room on a mat on the tile floor. That's what she wants to do. No, Mila, it's dirty. Mommy needs to wash it. Oh, so many stuff going on in the pool here.
I'm going to pick up 3 of them for you inside.
Oh, you know wash them good.
Give me one.
You know wash them good. You still eat it?
No.
Boy, what doesn't kill us make us stronger, I guess. Yeah, so I'm kind of planning to go to one place and investigate it. Yeah, it's a new place to the area. I'm really curious. I want to drive today, no? I want to drive. I want to, like, in the community, not talk about big road, but walking down the hill. I'm up to it. I'm up to walking down the hill. The car, I'm gonna walk the car down the hill. Walk the car down the hill, yeah. Yeah, time for me to touch the road. The road of a touch. And this is sugar cane. Is that sugar cane, right? Yeah. The love for the sugar cane you have. Oh, you left Mila, so. Oh, you left Mila. Come, Mila. Come, mommy take you. Come here. Oh, you eat. Oh, you eat the leaf. Hey guys, so yeah, I'm gonna rock today in the pants And this is my little autumn Jamaican autumn look. Here H&M Juicy Couture swaggy. Yeah, you see how people them are foreign excited for autumn season, for fall season, so they can dress up and create a look, autumn look. Yeah, I saw me excited. I can finally put up something other than short shorts, cause when it's summer, normally I do wear short shorts. I can, but I with long pants, even jeans. I don't know, I sweat. But I've seen in Jamaica a lot of women, even when it's summer, them wear jeans, skinny jeans here. But me sweating at them something. So in summer, when it's summertime, I do prefer dresses or shorts, something made from cotton, something breathable. Yeah, but I've seen mostly like working women them do them something, them wear long pants and jeans. But I true may work from home, so I have no dress code. See me there? Me wear what me want. Yeah, so today we do road night. And nobody can tell me nothing. Yeah, I made that. And so the last thing, not the last thing, cause I never brush my hair yet. So I'm gonna go brush my hair and put my perfume. Cause in Jamaica, people really care about them little things. I mean, my country people do care too, and it's just simple hygiene rules, but you see, it's true the island is small, so yeah, you see, when you buck upon somebody, you might see that person again, and you don't want to see that person again, and the person say, Jonathan, when we first met that girl, met that guy, smell rotten, smell nerdy, you know, smell stink, smell green. Yeah, so you always want to smell good, yeah, and look good. I don't know, it's just my Jamaican husband my Jamaican husband told me, like, swaggy, first thing first, you can't go to the house and you're green, because you know in my country people know really business about them things. I don't sound like me used to smell green and them things, but sometimes when me shower, sometimes I don't put my perfume, like, yeah. But since I moved to Jamaica and I started dating my husband, I have to smell like sweet. I have to smell so people smell me and say, whoa. That's how my mentality changed since I moved in Jamaica. I never smell green yet, but you have to be extra when it comes to smell in Jamaica. You have to be extra. Yeah. Mila, she likes to throw all her clothes out of the drawers, but guess what? She like to put it back. I don't mind if you throwing your clothes out, but just put them back in, alright? When you throw all your clothes, put them back. Yeah? Back into the dryer. Okay? Say mama. Say mama. Say mama. Mila, mommy. Mila, mommy. Mila, say mommy. Jabo, you ready for share?
Yeah, you're realistic, Mila.
The car already on my card. See Starbucks. Trash pan the floor. Yeah, pan the ground. Come, Mila. Not yet.
Wait, don't. You can't start already, so you don't have to start it.
Kind of want to adjust myself more closer.
Look. Remember, say this is a button press. I'm gonna pull up. So you gotta. You want to go closer to the
Yeah.
seat here?
No, my
Seat. Press this button now. Use on it. Relax. Press the P. No, that side. This one, the side. Button this one. You sink it down. Then you move it back. Right. Hold on for the brakes. Don't take it down. See it in the drive now? See the left? The
Yeah,
right?
see it.
Yeah. So you don't have to press the gas. Just go and make the brakes here.
In the car.
Yeah, so.
Straight in the back.
Yeah. You got this, man. I got this. So, yeah, just stay in your lane. Yeah, that's the gas. Take your time and gauge it. Yeah, wait, brakes. Take your foot off of the gas.
Yeah.
I'm going to run over the sleeping police. I'm curious. Yeah?
I'm curious,
Yeah.
That feels good enough.
Yeah, alright, look a bit for the gas.
That
Yeah.
feels great.
Alright, let's go. Yeah, your seatbelt. You have your seatbelt. Look on the driver. Brakes. Brakes. Put your seatbelt. Deep in the nines.
Driver, first rule broken. This rule, you can't break the rule. This is the most important, you see?
Oh, another rule. Handbrake up. Stop. Did I go too fast, yeah?
I'm not looking at my mirror though. I go like a mile road.
So even though this is one way, it's still a whole the left or the right here. There's a double lane. So if somebody come behind you, you just come look at your left.
Should we drop?
Sleep so don't see the police.
Should we drop it?
Okay.
Is it how smooth?
Come look at the left.
Beep.
Come out to your left look a bit.
Look a bit.
Look at it, boy.
You know the rope?
No, you know. Stay over here, so stay.
Somebody at the back? No, nobody at the back.
No, up you might go, but somebody's too fast.
Swaggy that. Driving to life.
Come on, stay. Oh, come on, look out your left. Look a bit.
Look a bit.
Slow down, slow down a bit, yeah. And stay. Slow down, so you slow down.
Slow down?
Yeah.
Oh,
One person pass, yeah.
Yeah, man. Make the person go.
Yeah.
Make the person go.
Slow. You might come, slow down.
Why?
Focus on the road, make sure you're in your lane. Go on.
Why?
Come here, Mila.
Guys, we got a new place open up. Courts and some other shops. So I want to check what's going on. Yeah. Good morning. Shop new, shop nice. So here we are. It is located right by Knoxford Station side, Knoxford Express, big courts. But I mainly came here to check the furniture because I really want to check the furniture. And oh, I see something what I love. I want something like that, you know. Like them something. Door mixers. What fit? Alright. Yeah. So yeah man, the first floor is like mostly electronic devices, kitchen and cooking stuff and laptops, TVs.
Oh,
It's a PlayStation.
Yes, this is almost 1,000.
PlayStation 5.
Just take your time and look around.
Guys, we moving.
So you didn't even go to my shop?
Grill, you know, on a grill. No man, grill. You need to start grill. Eh?
Backyard, this is nice in the backyard.
No.
Oh, I used to main house. No, the outside.
It's like a patio. No, for outside. More like for outside. No, but we need a patio. We don't have no patio for outside. We don't need them something in a really have yard space like that. We just need 2 chairs like that probably. See this? Like that to put on the veranda.
Like this?
Yeah, that's what we need. Yeah, something like that, because our veranda is empty. Table at 24. Minute, no, 3 peaks. It says 3 peaks. 3 peaks. Oh, see, one chair, 2 chair, and a table. That is the price you pay. It's not bad.
2 chair and a coffee table.
Yeah, not so bad. But tax go on it, right? It's without tax probably. Me here tax, you know. Me here tax, you know. Probably 30 something. Yeah, 30. No, 30. And plus, them probably sell the cushions separately. But more than show cushions themselves separately.
This nice, because from the veranda.
Nice. Yeah, I like it too. But check if cushions they sell it separately, because I have a feeling it does not come with it.
Sure, you're not coming
Let's
to
see.
them?
Yeah, man. See the price on it. But I like the how them put it together. How much for cushions? Oh, that with one tag here, but probably they are separately. Cause here, people just no. It probably come with this thing. You see this one, the cushion panel. Yeah, well, I like it how it put up together. Yeah, a baby stroller the people put in at the store. Alright, remember the bike you had something like that? You had something like that, but red. Hello, the red one, something like that. In Vietnam days. Have a look, stroller. Hey, people just bring say, yo, we sell everything. You name it, we sell it. A baby crib, a baby chair, feeding chair, Adam, car seats, anything you think of what people and say should the store and sell. Yeah, good thing I used to save up things from Danny and Leo, so we don't really have to buy a baby chair again. Walk up like this. How much for the pot set? I need a solid set of cooking pots. Non-stick of a step-in cooking game of update.
My boxes.
Yeah? Getting it? Yeah.
Pull the one table and I'm dropping it.
Yeah.
I'll be like, man, Zoe. Got this.
Yeah. Errol, see my dream chair? Errol, you see something like that? I would love to get for the living room. Something like that. But them something's expensive though. No, but not made from that material, because I could scratch up. Like something made from that material. Yeah. Yeah. Something more comfortable. I don't really like leather. I like cloth material better. Everything is so tiny, the sofa is too tiny. Here the sofas are well tiny. But I love this sofa. I love the sofa.
No man, a showpiece.
Showpiece.
This is so nice, a showpiece, man. Nice to sit down.
Where is dinner table?
Oh, you can't sit on nothing.
I was just saying, who will make come sit down on that?
What is that?
I'm saying, if you have a dinner table like that.
Yeah, dinner table like
that. You sit on it, get a dirty bed.
Oh, so the lady did I say like if you have a dinner table like that, you don't want to invite nobody?
Yeah, because
okay, then I go
this will never look like this.
scratch up
And you turn the color.
Well, I guess if you have the money, so you don't really care about if it's gonna mash up, you can replace it easily. Yeah. One, two.
You must snap her. She looks cute. Come back to daddy.
You see, I would love this sofa. This one. I think this sofa would be so perfect. You see this sofa? Kind of like you can...
Separate this.
No, you can make it come out too. And it's like a big huge space where you can just lay down. You see?
This can work.
So good. Of course it can. Easily. Easily.
You think from the corner of the wall to the door this can work?
Of course, easily. Very easily.
Okay. You're even asking yourself. Yeah. Like in the feet of the wall like that.
Yeah, I need to just write down the prices and when we're ready. But you know the lady said they're gonna have a Black Friday. But I'm not sure if they will apply it on everything, because you know them people, them companies well tricky. No, they are not bad too, but kind of old school. This one kind of more old school. I don't know. Yeah. Need some decoration for the living room, but I was thinking about real palm tree, not the trees, little trees. Yeah, not the huge palm trees, but little palm trees for the living room. And I like this stand. I was like, oh, definitely use that. It looks nice. I look pan kids 2-floor beds. You, huh?
Put that in the room. You would have more space for the room.
Yeah, I go pay for mommy's pots. Pay for my purchase, please. Yeah? Yeah, man. Take the card. I'm paying for the mommy. I'm paying everything on me. Guys, and I am running into our Indian man shop because I need a new ring for my TikToks. For my Instagram posts. Yeah, my old ring mash up, so I'm gonna get myself new one. Alright, here I am. I'm going to buy myself. Never take the first pack, always take second or last one. Better last one. Should I take last one or second one? I'll take second one. Hey, let me see what I want. I want a robot vacuum. 35 grand, and me have to wash the floor. Why? I need one. Boy, the Indian guy has the whole duty free here. I swear. I see them viral perfumes from Dubai or whatever them call it, like Arabic perfumes. See them? And BF fashion perfumes. No, so what you cannot find in Jamaica, because it's literally everything in Jamaica. Right now, Jamaica is not the same Jamaica people know from back in the days. Right now, Jamaica any America though. Yeah, we have everything.